Here's how to highlight alternate rows in Microsoft Excel. Start by selecting the range of data you want to format. Next, go to the Home tab, click Conditional Formatting, and choose New Rule. In the window that appears, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now enter the formula equals ISODD, open bracket, ROW, close bracket. This will target every odd row in your selection. Click Format, go to the Fill tab, and choose a color you want to use for highlighting. Then click OK. Once applied, every other row will be highlighted automatically, making your data much easier to read. If you want to highlight even rows instead, simply replace ISODD with ISEVIN in the formula. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on StepByClick.